Want to become a successful data scientist but don't know what to do and how to do that? Take a look at this course called How to Become a Data Scientist. Now, this course is based on my experiences 42 years back when I was doing my MBA at IIM Bangalore, and the data science didn't exist, but the data analysis did exist. So right from there to till about 6, 7 years back at IIM Udaipur, whatever I have learned, I'm sharing with you in this course. Now, what that does is it not only you learn the data scientist responsibilities and qualification in this course, but you will also learn all the knowledge and tools required in detail to become a successful scientist. Not only that, but you will also know the roadmap of becoming a successful data scientist. What are the things that you need to do and how to become a successful data scientist. Attend your video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime during this course. Get Udemy's 30 days money back guarantee and preview for yourself many lectures covering each section for free. And if you like the content, only if you like the content, enroll for the course, enjoy, and become a successful data scientist.